Chime is known for being a fee-free banking option, but there are still a few things to watch out for if you want to avoid unexpected charges. First, no monthly fees or minimum balances. That's one of Chime's biggest perks. You won't pay for having an account or for basic transactions. When it comes to ATM withdrawals, use ATMs in the MoneyPass or Visa Plus Alliance networks to avoid the $2.50 out-of-network fee. The app helps you find these fee-free ATMs nearby. If you withdraw cash from a non-network ATM, you'll be charged that $2.50 fee plus whatever the ATM owner charges. So it's best to plan ahead. Chime offers SpotMe, which lets you overdraft up to $200 on debit card purchase with no fee. But if you overdraft outside of card purchases, like checks or transfers, you might get declined or face fees from the recipient. Avoid wiring money or international transfers through Chime since these aren't supported and may involve third party fees. Also, don't rely on paper checks or cashing checks at stores, as these can come with fees. Finally, keep an eye on your account activity in the app. Chime sends instant notifications for transactions so you can spot anything unusual right away. Bottom line, stick to using in network ATMs, using your debit card for purchases, and avoid unsupported services to keep your account fee free. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite kind fee saving tip.